Just made it down to the Peshtigo River, Crivitz, Wisconsin. A lot of people heading out today. More people up here. Get ready to go. It's very hot out. About to start my float here. But this guy over here lost the lure. Winch or something. Today we got Doug and Kaylee joining the cleanup.
Her dad lost a pretty expensive watch somewhere, a little down a ways.
Okay, hopefully find that. Thanks for coming. Let's get it. Lure. Oh, you guys sunburned yet? Not yet, huh? Trash. Oh, yeah, I can't drink it now. Thank you, though. A lot of logs down here. Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's from the flood.
From the flood?
Yeah, because we live on the river.
Yeah.
Jared, how high was the water?
Like right here where that's like a bayou area?
Yeah.
Probably 3 feet above that.
What?
Oh,
Holy.
that's why all these trees are down.
Wow.
Yeah, it was like a big flush.
Yeah, we lost a lot of trees.
You find anything cool yet?
No, I didn't go in
We
until
just
now.
started because we seen Eddie here, so.
Oh. Good job. Getting stuff.
It's perfect.
Yeah, nice.
Sorry.
It's nice and deep over here. Kind of want to explore that. There we go. About 18 feet down there. 18 feet deep, yeah. Got a full one. Well, made it over the little sandbar here, and we got the railroad bridge way over there. Wonder what somebody's doing out here with the CarVac. Does it still work? Nope.
What's that?
CarVac. Yeah, a lot of mysteries in here.
Really?
Never.
You found that?
Yeah, right over here. Yeah. There's a huge bass right here. He's right underneath me now. Yeah, somebody lost some shades. It's nice aviators.
Do you make videos?
Yeah, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Ed the Diver.
I gotta take my picture with you. My kid is obsessed with it.
Do you watch them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
On our regular TV.
Yeah, it's cool. You can watch them on there.
Here we go. Ed
Yeah.
the Diver.
What's up? You doing a video or picture? Okay.
It's pretty cool though.
Thanks for tell them thanks for watching.
Oh, of course.
I just got back from Minnesota last week. I was at Bemidji for a couple days.
Yeah,
And,
we saw that actually. Wait, you didn't post that one yet, but you were in Minnesota a little while ago.
yeah, I just posted it, I think 2 days ago. I edited that video. It's a really cool place. I like doing the cleanup in the rivers like this. People are tubing, trying to find phones for people and get them back to them. So,
You find so much.
yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
And you take a lot of time to like.
Yeah. You want me to come up there?
Sure.
Make it easier for you.
And you got it. Okay, the guy with the phone, you got it. He can hold up this little vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Wait, has everybody got a drink in their hand? Ed, do you need one?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
Can you drink while you're on the clock?
Well, I can do whatever I want, but I'd rather not
Hop in here, you guys.
get my shot back.
Laura.
You always good finds.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
I'll
Well, thanks.
post that to your,
Appreciate it.
your
Yeah, you
videos.
can tag me in on Facebook or
will.
something.
Yeah, honestly, we do. And my son's kind of obsessed with you. And he fishes every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm gonna keep on going here.
All
There's a
right,
lot of
have a
stuff
good
to
one.
find. Thanks. Should have brought an extra mask for you. Oh, I got a bunch in my truck, like 3 extra ones.
Oh, you got a nice little sunglasses?
Yeah.
Vacuum? I thought you found a vacuum.
I did. Found right over here.
That was in the water?
Yeah. It's going on the trophy shelf. Whew. Pretty heavy. Just took a little break, about to head back in the river, starting with the railroad track over there. Let's get it. I don't know what that is. That basketball, sand in it? What is that? The crawfish in his shoe. He wants to get out. Oh man, the camera's all fogged up on the inside. Yeah, there's a logger here and a bunch of wood. It's kind of dangerous to jump down here. Strong current here. I better keep going here. I'm getting sidetracked. Oh, someone dropped the grapes. You got a bucket? You want to shove it in here? That works. Change my arrow out soon. Yeah, I better do that. Yeah. Back to work. Now that was cool. All that clay down there, and the way it's like, it looked like ravines, like really cool swirly designs.
It had to be from the high water to cut that out. Same thing on the upper river, we were coming down and all of a sudden you could see along the banks like layers and layers, and I grabbed a handful of it. It's solid, man.
Yeah, it is. Thanks.
Is that all the stuff you brought up from the bottom?
So far, yeah.
That's nice, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I love doing it. Good exercise.
I hope you find some gold, buddy.
That'd be nice. If any of you just want to sit on the tube and relax, you can too. Whew.
A lot of work on here.
Yeah, my lungs are taking a beating. Breathing in and out of this for 2 hours. Sunglasses. A full Smirnoff right here. Big log right here. I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Whoa, look at you.
Getting stuff. Stuff out of there. Well, you enjoying it? Oh yeah. Yeah? We just got done diving in the Peshtigo River. You got Doug helping with his kayak. He got a bucket and a bunch of other trash. Let's check out what we found here. Got a tire and some trash over there. Put some random stuff in here. Golf balls, little cutting board, cans, a rubber tube right there, another tire, that thing right here, a couple more tires, and a lot more trash here. A bunch more stuff in here. Mask, found a snorkel back here. Pretty cool. You guys have fun?
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Good.